how to get streaks on TikTok. So if you want to get streaks on TikTok, then what you need to do is first open up your TikTok application. After opening a TikTok, now you just need to simply go with inbox, which is on the bottom right. Now you need to just go with invite, which is on the top right. You will have streak, hatch a streak, pet together option. So you just need to simply go with invite and invite a person. Now if the other person accepts your invite, then you'll be able to start a pet streak together. It's similar to Snapchat, but here you need to chat for 3 consecutive days to hatch a streak pet. So you need to send messages or videos, keep sending videos back and forth. Go with your TikTok feed and send the TikToks. Once you've sent these TikToks or once you've sent the messages for 3 consecutive days, you will start a streak. That's how you can get streaks on TikTok, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.